Ocean View Apartments. Complete with balcony. Okay. About £800. I'll show you what we actually got. This is the car park. And this is what we actually ended up with. Past what they advertised. We, by the way, booked Superior. We got Studio. Paid for and booked that. And this is our ocean view. Okay. If you come down here, and by the way, this is the apartment. That is it. Get the drift? We have no access to these beautiful ocean view apartments. Okay. And we're back where we started. Ocean View Apartments. If you don't believe me, there it is. You don't get that. You don't get that. Not even close. That's what you're supposed to get, which is absolutely gorgeous. But that is not what you get. This is what you get. So, Ocean View Apartments. Please note, Ocean View Apartments. You don't get this. You get a back alley.